Hey guys, today's lesson is all about roading new features. It's like dynamic roads and nested dynamic roads. Uh, let's start with dynamic roads. What was that? In the previous lesson, we just learned the dynamic road. What is that? Like this, right? For example, it's just a nested road, but we need to convert into convert from the nested to dynamic because we don't want to write first and second blah blah blah. I mean, some kind of data. No, it's not possible. For example, if I'm gonna my go here my site, it's like my blog site. You can just read some articles. For example, if I'm gonna click the button, you can right here new dynamic road is opened, right? Blogs and how to approach our problem. It's just kind of like dynamic ID or dynamic Slack, right? Yeah. Uh, yeah, mostly it's used in data fetching uh, to different kind of, you know, uh, mm, specifically product or maybe specifically Slack or ID something, right? It's just nested like this. Today, let's dive into this one. For example, we have some examples here. For example, we have just products in road segment, and just like it's segments of products ID, product details, right? Product one, product two, blah blah blah, and also products one like this. The first product of your store of your database, it's gonna opens up automatically. For example, it's a main structure of how can I do this, right? And I'm just gonna leave it here some document. For example, page product ID and just as a select, we can just do it. Let's dive into this. We don't need some these folders. I can just delete it, and also about also will be deleted. Okay, delete permanently. Yeah, only the profile here. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna create products page, products, and that it's a UI page.tsx. Let me copy this folder, this file, and pass here, but it should be modified to like products, products. Oh, something went wrong. Products, yeah, right here. If I'm gonna open up the spy save page, yeah, it's already deleted, something like this. But just go here, products page. Yeah, you can see right here. But I'm not. I wouldn't like this UI. Let's dive. Let's change it at all. For example, product in right here, and some kind of links, right? For example, ULI, a tag using the a tag, right? For example, product one and product two, products three. Yeah, it should be opened like this, right? For example, first of all, the main row and nested row, right? For example, one and something like this. And also the change like this, products and two, blah blah blah, right? Let's open it up right here. You can see right here just any links. Uh, make it beautiful. For example, class name, of course, flags. Just item center. All items will be centered and justify center and let's go. Yeah, right here. And let's font, text size much more maximize it. For example, uh, 3XL. Yeah, yeah, it's better. It's better than of them. But we need to right here text color as well. For example, blue, for example, 500. Yeah. And underline just like this. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I just tried it to make it beautiful. And if I'm gonna click this button and it's opening the products in one page, right? How can I do this? Just products, not you don't need wanna is one or two the file folder, right? In this folder because it should be dynamic. We just product ID like this. I mean inside of the square roots, right? Inside of this new page dot t6. We're just gonna function or default function. Um, we need to name it. For example, it's just product details, right? Yeah, like right here. And return something. H1 maybe just like um, this one, but it should be the class. Oh, sorry, text center. Everything will be centered because we just sees it better. Okay, and not products page, but it should be products details, right? Details. Okay, and if I'm gonna the refresh the page, yeah, you can see right here two of them. For example, products, and if I'm gonna go product two, it's also product details, right? And also product three, it's also open it up product three. No, not putting down here, right? Like this. You know what the changing of this like this. Three, two, one is dynamically dated. Yeah, first of all, if you, I mean, first of all, this component and products component will be rendered, and then when a user will click this button, when opening it up to dynamic route, it should be later rendered, right? Because it's a new page for user. Yeah. And and how can I get and separate these folder files, right? I mean, uh, it should be opened, for example, product one details. I mean, not a specific ID, but uh, s- I mean, main ID just be showed up here. For example, products one, two details, or two, three, four, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Hopefully you make sense what I'm saying. Okay, how can I do this? First of all, we just right here props. It's just like params, params. And you can say right here product and square root here and params and product ID, right? Yeah, it should be saying this word product ID. Yeah. If I'm gonna open it up, yeah, you can see right here, one. If I'm gonna two, open it up two, and if I'm gonna open the three, it's product to the three details, right? Yeah, something went wrong. You can see right here, it's type checked because it's we are using the TypeScript. No problem. We just uh, put here the params. Um, oh, sorry, params, and also we have product ID like this. It should be string or a number, it doesn't matter, but in our case, it's number, right? Yeah, yeah, it's okay. It's already fixed. If I'm gonna five, it opens five, right? If I'm gonna product, it's opens tens product. So yeah, so on and something like this. If I'm gonna write some text, maybe it's open right here, just like this. Okay, we just did it, the first part of this. You can see right here how to create it. Um, yeah, it's okay. And yeah, it's enough, I think. But later on, we just need to be familiar with just data fetching, how to display the specific product by getting some data from the database, right? I would recommend you go here. Just, uh, I mean, you need to read some documentations about dynamic roads right here. It's just like recommended. You need to read about it, right? Okay, and I will leave some documents on the description, video description, right? Don't worry about it. And next one is dynamic roads. Nested dynamic roads. How can I do this? For example, if you wanna, uh, if you wanna get into the product reviews, for example, any product and just comments and previews by other customers, you need to know about it, right? Before buying something. We can just nested road, and inside of it, it should be dynamic road. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not hard. It's not difficult. For example, inside of the product ID, we can just create a review page, and inside of review, we just square root of the file. For example, review ID like this, and it's also the UI. We need this one, only this one page UI. Okay, and copy it up here and just put them here. For example, not details but reviewed. I need to product and reviews like this. If I'm gonna just save this code and products free and review and 100 maybe. Yeah, product three review, right? It's opened, it's working. That's working. But what a problem. We have separate and extract review ID as well, right? How can I like you know how can I to display this data? Yeah, it's not easy. Perhaps it's easy. Product, not product ID, but review ID here. Yeah, yeah, it's right here. It's not difficult, right? For example, maybe third comment, or third review, or maybe 12th comment, maybe comment, right? It's open it up here. But something went wrong again. We just, check the types as well. Review ID, also number. Yeah. Okay. All of them are fixed. It's just dynamic institute, right? You can see some um, examples also in the official Next.js website as well, right? Yeah, that's all today. I think you make sense maybe. Um, Let me take some examples for our practice here. How can I, for example, maybe we just Amazon website, right? Amazon.com or Amazon.com. Okay, it's open it up. For example, if I'm gonna uh, buy something new, for example, right here, it's just Slack or ID, product ID, right? It's open it up and just like this. Pay attention to this kind of road segments. Yeah, if I'm gonna go here to review reviews or comments from other, I mean, buyers or customers. How can I do this? Okay, no, it's not appearing here. Just some kind of description about the product, but I need some review. Yeah, right here, customer reviews. If I'm gonna, how customer review, 5 star. So I'm just gonna go here. You can see right here, all reviews, right? All reviews, right? For example, if I'm gonna uh, go this review, it's opened up specific review, right? Yeah, that is an example. That is an example. Hopefully, uh, you just understand better with some kind of examples and samples as well. Yeah, that's all today. Not forget to upload and push the code. Copy that, git commit. It's also our lesson 5 and git push. Okay. Thank you guys. Hopefully you make sense and you make sense. You just understand what I'm saying. Okay, next lesson we just continuing the diving into the routing systems, other features as well. And when we are in the data fetching topic, we're just using the routing, right? Because we're just redirecting or navigating some data by route, right? Or route segments. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys.